What's going on, YouTube? CJ here with the Trading Collective. Today we're going to be going over trend lines and how to properly make trend lines, a common mistake when drawing trend lines on a chart, and a couple tips as to how you can make them a little bit better. So without further ado, we're going to roll right into the video. If you guys don't mind smashing that like button, hitting the subscribe button so you get notified, and hitting the bell icon, and that way you get notified whenever we're posting new videos. If you guys aren't sure what we do at the Trading Collective, we're an education-based community of traders, and we also have algorithms available. Here on the screen, you're seeing me use the Selene algorithm, which you're seeing lower highs right here and higher lows right here. We're also seeing signals. So if you guys are interested, check the link down below. But without further ado, let's roll right into it. So today we're looking at Visa 5-minute chart. And I'm going to show you guys a common mistake that people are making when they're drawing trend lines. So we'll take the trend line tool here, and we'll say that we're trying to draw a downtrend here so we can time our entry. So a lot of people are making trend lines that look like this, and it's a good thing to make trend lines because you can identify when trends are breaking or reversing or things of that nature. So here we're seeing the downtrend being broken right here. But really, we're not seeing the most accurate picture, and that's because we're drawing it from the top of this wick to the top of this candle. So a rule that you should be following when you're making trend lines is, if you're starting at the wick, draw the wicks. If you're starting at the body, draw the body. So instead of making trend lines like this, you should make trend lines that look like this. This is a lot more accurate, and you're able to get a better entry, or I should say a safer entry. And here you're seeing Selene call this long signal right here. So we're seeing wick here, wick there, much safer entry. And then I'm going to show you guys a quick tip as to how to draw trend lines wicked fast and crazy accurate. So we'll use a magnetic tool, and we'll grab the ray tool as well. So we'll just, when you're using the magnet, it snaps to if you want the body or if you want the wick. So we'll grab this top wick here, grab that top wick there. There's your top wick lines, and it shoots the line all the way past, so you're not having to drag, and you're making sure that you're grabbing the actual top of the wick. And then if you're grabbing the bodies, you'd grab the bodies here to here, instead of having something that looks like this where you're grabbing the top of that wick and you're going to the bottom of that candle. So it's a safer entry over here. That's why our algorithm calls it over here when you're actually seeing this trend being broken. So those are some tips, and that's kind of a bit of an explanation as to why you want to do those types of things. If you guys enjoyed this video, please hit the like button, subscribe, and if you're interested in becoming a member to the Trading Collective, info down below as how you can get started. We have a free trial as well. So we'll see you in the next one, guys. Take care.